Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about basics of vectors. We already studied about scalar quantity and vector quantity. Scalar quantity means it have only magnitude. The vector quantity have both magnitude and direction. Okay. So first we will see representation of vectors. How we can represent a vector. Vectors. A vector is represented by a straight line with an arrow. That means like this we can represent a straight line with an arrow. Okay. So the length of the straight line gives the magnitude and the arrowhead gives the direction. So and we can denote a vector quantity by a variable over it a arrowhead, or we can use bolded symbol like this. This is a force vector. This way we can denote a vector and this way we can represent a vector. So here f is equal to like this. If it is to be 3 Newton means I can split this like this 3. Okay. So this is to be 1 Newton, this is to be 1 Newton and this is to be 3 Newton. And the direction shows that this force is acting towards the east direction. Okay. This is about the representation of vector. Next we will see modulus of vector. Modulus of vector. The modulus of a vector gives the magnitude. How we can represent the modulus? Modulus of a vector means like this. Okay. Like this is the modulus of a vector, or we can simply write like this. This shows that the modulus of a vector. That means if a vector f is to be acting in towards east with a magnitude of 3 Newton, that means modulus of f is equal to 3. Okay. This way 3 Newton. Okay. This way we can say that the modulus of a vector. Next, unit vector. Unit vector. Unit vector of a vector have the same direction of that vector and how the magnitude is unity. That means if a vector A, this is a vector A, the unit vector of this vector is represented by a cap over it. How you can find it? A vector divided by its modulus. Okay. Then it have the same magnitude of this and it have the same direction of this vector and the magnitude is unity. Okay. Clear? Okay. This like this we can represent. Unit vector. Okay. The unit vector of A cap like this. It has the same direction of A and the magnitude is unity. Okay. Clear? Next, negative vector. Negative vector. Negative vector have the same magnitude but opposite direction. This way we can represent the negative of a vector. That means this is a vector. Its negative vector is in the opposite direction but have the same magnitude of this vector. Okay. This is about the negative vector. Next we will see equal vector. Equal vectors. If two vectors are equal, it have same magnitude and direction. Okay. It have same magnitude and direction. That means this is an A vector and another is B vector. This is A vector and B vector. Here you see this, these two vectors A vector and B vector have same magnitude and same direction. So these two vectors are equal vectors.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel.
If you like this video, please put like and share.